How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to another mathematics lesson. From our previous lesson, we were constructing. Who can remind us what we were constructing? Yes? You have tried? Yes? Good. In our previous lesson, we constructed an angle of 90 degrees. So you are now in a position to construct several angles. If you are told to construct an angle of 90 degrees now and you are given a measurement and a point, you can be able to do that. Okay? Good. So today we are going to construct an angle of 60 degrees. And the angle of 60 degrees is also not difficult. It is almost the same as the way we did. Now, using your ruler, I want you to draw a straight line in your exercise book. Draw a straight line in your exercise book. Take your rulers and draw a straight line. Have you done that? Good. Mark a point. Mark a point there. Mark a point there and call it point X. Mark a point there and call it point X. Are we together? Good. Now, having done that, take your pair of compasses. Take your pair of compasses. Place your pair of compasses at point X. Place your pair of compasses at point X using radius of your own choice. Using radius of your own choice and draw a big arc. Draw a big arc. Class, can you do that? Have you done that? Good. If you have done that, if you have been able to draw that arc, put down your pair of compasses and take your ruler. Take your ruler. Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line from point X. Draw a straight line from point X. Draw a straight line from point X. Now, having constructed this arc here, we can give it a name and call it arc B. You can call it arc B. We can also give this other arc here a name and we call it arc D. Now, having the two arcs, now take you have your two arcs there. This is arc D and we also had our arc B here. Now take your protractor. Take your protractor and measure. Take your protractor and measure angle. You are going to measure angle. We are going to measure angle DXB. DXB. Have you written that? Good. Take your protractor and measure that angle. Remember, we have the inner scale and the outer scale. We have the inner scale and the outer scale. Place your protractor there. Class, what have you got? Yes? 60 degrees. Good. I hope you have all managed to measure your angle there and you have got and you have measured and got that the angle is equals to 60 degrees. Are we together up to there? Good. Now, there is also another way of constructing the angle of 60 degrees. Still, the same way, you draw a line. Draw a straight line in your exercise book. Draw a straight line in your exercise book. Have you done that? Good. as we had done previously, mark a point. Mark a point there. Mark a point. Let us give this point still x. Let us have x. Have you done that? Good. Now, take your pair of compasses. X is your center. X is your center. X is your center. X being your center, place your pair of compasses here. Place your pair of compasses here. A radius of your own choice and maintain that radius. Draw an arc there. Draw an arc there. Have you done that? Good. Also this arc, we are also going to give it as a B. Are we together? Okay, we said we are going to draw, we want again to construct the same angle of 60 degrees, and there is another way you can construct an angle of 60 degrees. You draw an arc there, draw your arc there and call it arc B. And then you draw another, place your pair of compasses there and draw another arc there. Are we together? Good. Having done that, then you place again. Place your pair of compasses again at arc B. Place your pair of compasses again at B. And then let your arcs intersect at point D. Have you done that? Good. Take your ruler, place it, join X to D. Join X to D. Place your pair of place your ruler there and draw your straight line. Are we together? Good. I can see that most of you are getting on well. And if you have any problem, you can ask. Now, take your protractor. Take your protractor and we want to measure. The same way we are done here, we want to prove whether our angle is 60 degrees. Place your place your protractor there and then you measure. Make sure that you measure. Have you measured? Yes? Have you got what I have got here? This angle is the same. It is 60 degrees. Now, if you have got that, you can clap for yourself. This angle, the angle again, we have measured again angle. We have measured angle DXB. DXB, which is equals to 60 degrees. Now, I want you to practice. I want you to practice more on how to construct an angle of 60 degrees. So what you are going to do, I want to give you an activity. I want to give you an activity that you are going to do. I want to give you an activity that you are going to do. You draw a line. You are going to draw a line. Draw a line which will call it JK, and the line should measure 4 centimeters. You draw a line measuring 4 centimeters and let your line be marked from J to K, and then you construct an angle of 60 degrees. Construct an angle of 60 degrees. Are we together, class? Since I have realized that most of you are able to construct that angle of 60 degrees, this time when you will be doing, you will continue practicing. This time you will measure your line. So in the next lesson, I will check and see whether you have done it correctly. So we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening.